Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to indent in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Indenting text in Canva is a straightforward process that can help create a visually appealing layout, especially for lists, paragraphs, or structured content. While Canva doesn't have a dedicated indent feature like traditional word processors, you can achieve a similar effect using a few methods. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the Create a Design if you haven't already, or go to the existing project or design that you are working with. Now here, I'm going to try to indent a specific text, okay? By clicking on the Add a Page, I'm gonna click on the text box. Now, I'm going to basically paste a random text right here, okay? For example, that. I'm going to add another text here, say for example, this 100. Now, for you to be able to indent, you want to make sure first on the text box, you click this alignment first. All right, so it's a little bit like structured. All right. After that, I want you to go to the text itself and press space, so you can have like an indented kind of information. For example, it ends here. Press enter, and of course, press the space button. So basically, that's how you indent here in Canva. All right, it's a very easy and a straightforward process. But of course, while Canva does not have a traditional indent feature, you can use spaces and text positioning, shapes, or bullet points to create a similar visual effects. Adjusting text layout creatively can enhance and improve the design readability. Once you're happy with that, you might want to click on the view option here to make sure that your design fits perfectly well. All right, so it looks good to me. Now, after that, all you're going to do is go to the share button. Now, you can simply download the design into PNG, JPEG, PDF, standard, or if you wanted to share this to multiple team members, just click on the collaboration link. Click on the anyone with link, and of course copy that link and send to the social media channels such as Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, and an email as well. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.